Hello guys, welcome back to another video today. Today's video is Aristotle. What is said about nature? So let's jump in the video. Aristotle's philosophy of nature, often referred to as his physics or natural philosophy, constitutes a significant portion of his overall philosophical system. In his works, Aristotle explores the fundamental principles governing the natural world, including concepts such as substance, form, matter, causality, and motion. Below, I'll provide a comprehensive overview of Aristotle's philosophy of nature, examining its key components and principles. 1. Substances and categories. Introduction. Aristotle begins his investigation of nature by analyzing the concept of substance, which he defines as that which exists in itself and is not predicated of anything else. Substances are the primary entities that undergo change and possess intrinsic qualities. Categories. Aristotle categorizes substances and their attributes into 10 categories, including substance, quantity, quality, relation, place, time, position, state, action, and passion. These categories provide a framework for understanding the various aspects of reality and the relationships between them. 2. Hylomorphism, form and matter. Central to Aristotle's philosophy of nature is the concept of hylomorphism, which posits that substances consist of both form and matter. Form is the actuality or essence of a thing, determining its nature and defining its properties, while matter is the potentiality or substrate that receives form and gives rise to specific manifestations. Substantial change. Aristotle distinguishes between accidental change, which involves alterations in properties without affecting the substance's identity, and substantial change, which involves the transformation of one substance into another. Substantial change occurs when matter assumes a new form, resulting in the emergence of a different substance. 3. Teleology and final causes. Teleological explanation. Aristotle introduces teleology, or the study of final causes, as a key component of his philosophy of nature. He argues that natural phenomena exhibit purposefulness and goal-directedness, suggesting the presence of inherent ends or purposes in the natural world. Final causes. Aristotle identifies 4 types of causes: material, formal, efficient, and final. While the material cause pertains to the substance's material composition, the formal cause concerns its essential form or structure. The efficient cause involves the agent or force that brings about change, while the final cause refers to the end or purpose for which a thing exists. 4. 4 causes. Material cause. The material cause is the substance or matter from which something is made. It represents the material substrate that undergoes change or transformation. Formal cause. The formal cause is the essence or structure that gives a thing its identity and defines its nature. It determines the specific properties and characteristics of a substance. Efficient cause. The efficient cause is the agent or force that initiates and sustains change in a substance. It represents the active principle responsible for bringing about the transformation. Final cause. The final cause is the end or purpose for which a thing exists. It represents the goal or telos toward which natural processes are directed. 5. Natural motion and teleology. Natural motion. Aristotle distinguishes between natural motion, which occurs spontaneously and inherently in objects, and violent motion, which results from external forces. Natural motion is directed toward an end or goal inherent in the nature of the object. Teleological explanation of natural phenomena. Aristotle applies teleological explanations to various aspects of nature, arguing that organisms and natural processes exhibit goal-directed behavior aimed at fulfilling their inherent purposes. For example, plants grow toward the sun to obtain nourishment, and animals engage in behaviors that promote their survival and reproduction. 6. Cosmic hierarchy, scale of nature. Aristotle proposes a hierarchical scale of nature, wherein beings are arranged in a graded order based on their level of complexity and perfection. At the bottom are inanimate objects, followed by plants, animals, humans, and ultimately the celestial spheres. Divine unmoved mover. Aristotle posits the existence of a prime mover, or unmoved mover, as the ultimate cause of motion and change in the cosmos. This prime mover, which is purely actual and devoid of potentiality, serves as the final cause and ultimate goal toward which all natural processes strive. Conclusion. Aristotle's philosophy of nature represents a comprehensive and systematic exploration of the principles governing the natural. So that's solved today, guys. Thank you for watching.